Hi again, Tenny Johnson, your instructor for the Outlook class this summer. In this video, we're going to take a look at how the login process happens once you have set up your multi-factor authentication. So I'm ready to log in to the virtual desktop. I have my multi-factor authentication all set up on my phone. At the left, I'm going to click Outlook Virtual Desktop Information. I'm going to click there, and then I'm going to click this link here to advance to the virtual desktop login. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and enter my my specific information for my Outlook account, and I have it memorized. I recommend that you memorize yours because you're going to use it every time you work on the class. Now that I've set up, did you hear that? That's my phone going off. I got a text message telling me what code to enter. It'll change every time. So every time you log in, it'll text you a new code to enter. I just enter that code here and I click continue. Oops, oh no, access denied. That means I typed in something wrong. Let me try this again. So I'm going to type in my username. I'm actually going to do the whole thing. I shouldn't have to, I don't think, from what I've done before. And then I'm going to make sure that, oh, I think I typed in the wrong password before. Okay, let me try this again. All right, so it's going to try again. Getting a new code. Oh, I see. Yeah, actually, I made a typo in the code. So all right, I think I did it right this time. I'm going to click continue. No second chances. All right, there I've got it. So I've typed in the right code and now I have access to the virtual desktop. I'll click here. It's the Madison College Virtual Desktop, and that'll start to load within my web browser. So you can see in the background I have my regular desktop for my MacBook, and then here within my web browser it's loading this virtual desktop, which is like a pretend desktop that looks just like a regular desktop from a Microsoft Windows computer. When that loads, I just give you a warning, I've shown this in other videos too, it almost always also loads a message from the college. You can close that out. It might load a little print. Oh, there it is, right? So there's the message from the college. It always does that. So you can just always close that window. We'll never need it. And it almost always does this little balance window, and you can always close that out as well. We'll never use that. And so now you're ready to use Outlook via your virtual desktop. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me at any time.